hope all of you are well by the grace of Almighty. Today our lesson is transformation of sentence. Okay, let's start our topic, affirmative to negative. If there is only in an affirmative sentence, we use none but for a person. In the negative sentence, nothing but for a thing, and not more than or not less than for a number. So, we turn it into negative by following these rules. So, look at this, none but for the person, nothing but for thing, or not more than for number. This is the rule. If there is also alone or merely, also alone and merely used, then you will turn it into negative by using these rule, none but, nothing but, or not more than and not less than. So, this is the first rule of affirmative to negative. If there is must in an affirmative sentence, then we use cannot but or cannot help verb plus ing to turn it into negative. Students, look at here, we use cannot but or cannot help verb plus ing instead of must when we turn it into negative. The third one, if there is every in an affirmative sentence, then we use there is no ... but, there is no, who doesn't, or no, and the negative form of the positive word in a negative sentence. When we turn it into a negative sentence, then we use these three rules. Look at the board. Every mother loves her child. The first one is there is no mother but loves her child, and the another one is there is no who doesn't love her child. The third one is no mother hates, which is opposite to the word loves her child. So, students, is it clear to you? If every is used in an affirmative sentence, then we use these three types of sentences to turn it into negative. The another rule, if the sentence is as soon as he entered into the room, comma, we stood up, we use no sooner had and also that instead of comma to turn it into negative sentence. So, look at the example, as soon as he entered into the room, comma, we stood up. We use no sooner had he entered into the room than we stood up. Clear? We use never instead of always, and the opposite word of the word which is used in an affirmative sentence to turn it into a negative sentence. Look at the example, I always attend in the class. The negative form of this sentence is I never miss the class. So, look at the word always, never is used instead of always, and the word miss is used instead of attend to turn it into negative. There are some examples of affirmative and negative. The first one is there are many pens in the box. When we turn it into negative, we use there are a few pens in the box instead of many. And another one is there is much water in the glass. The negative form of this sentence is there is a little water in the glass. So, we see that we use a few instead of many and a little instead of much when we turn it into negative. Students, now you can turn it from negative to affirmative just like this. Look at the board. So, how can we turn it into affirmative? By using only. We use only instead of nothing but when we turn it into affirmative. Just like this, we use he is only 10. So, now you can turn it into negative to affirmative just following the previous rule. So, students, now we can go to affirmative to interrogative. There are two sentences. He is a boy. We turn it into interrogative by using this rule. We use verb and the negative form to turn it into interrogative. Just like this, this is the affirmative sentence. He is a boy. When we turn it into interrogative, we use the negative interrogative form to turn it into interrogative. He is a boy. Isn't he a boy? And the second one, she was not present in the class. This is the negative sentence. When we turn it into interrogative, we use the positive form. Just like this, was she present in the class? This is the rule of affirmative to interrogative. And another one, the first one is everybody or everyone gets a prize. When we turn it into interrogative, we use who doesn't. Who doesn't? And the another one, nobody trusts a liar. This is the negative form. So, we use only who. Who trusts a liar? Who trusts a liar? Okay. If you turn it affirmative to negative, then you can easily turn it into interrogative to affirmative by following these rules. Okay, dear students, now you can turn into affirmative to negative and affirmative to interrogative and also negative to affirmative and interrogative to affirmative by following these rules. So, I will give you some home task. You will practice it at home. You will do the SW by following these rules. If you have any query, you can go to the website Kishore Batayan. Here you can find the solution and you can ask any question or you can comment in this website. This is up to today. I hope you will enjoy the topic.